What up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm on my site, Paidviewpoint. The link to this will be in the description. Sign up so you're able to get a bonus before you even, do your first survey. So the link to that will be in the description for this website. You see my balance. It is $38.37. I'm going to cash that out. You see my trade score is 10,000. 10,000, that's the highest trade score you can get. The trade score, if you're not familiar, basically that's how they send surveys to you. The higher your trade score is, the more trustworthy you become. So they're going to send you higher paying surveys. They're going to send you more surveys. The lower your trade score is, they're going to send you some surveys, but not as many as the people that have the higher trade score. So every time you take a survey and complete it, your trade score will continue to go up. So just stay grinding with it. I'm not really sure when you first start out with this site what your trade score is, but I just know like every survey that you attempt or you complete, that you will not only get paid for the survey because they have no disqualification points, but you'll also have your trade score go up. So just keep grinding with this. I know some people told me they don't really make a lot of money with this site and their trade score is low, but you got to keep going, because when I first started with this site, my trade score was low and I just kept at it. But now I'm getting surveys like every day, 3-4 surveys. And the really good thing about this site is that you don't disqualify for any surveys. Every survey that you give that they give you, you will be able to complete, because they will not kick you out. So just keep grinding with it. On this site, you can cash out at a minimum of $15, and I'm going to cash out, almost $40 here. So I just want to show you this cash out video. If you haven't seen my other my Paidviewpoint videos, definitely look at those. I'll leave the link, the video to those at the end of this video. It'll be on the screen, so you can click on that and definitely watch it. Show you more of a tutorial and showing you, how easy the surveys on this site are, how easy they are to use. So like I said, I'm gonna cash out this $38.37. I'm gonna click on earnings, and this is how you cash out. When I click on it, my phone number and stuff will pop up. So I'm gonna pause the video while I do all that real quick, because they have to verify some information. They want you to verify your phone number when you cash out. So let me do that and I'll be right back. All right, so I did all that, did the verification. You see here my options are PayPal, Amazon, and Walmart. You can choose any one of them. I'm going to choose PayPal. So, just to give you, just guys, what I was doing with the verification. You have a phone number. Whatever phone number you have, you got to call this number, or you can have them send you a text just to verify. They'll verify them, make sure your PayPal is good, all that kind of stuff. It's very easy to do. But anyway, I'm going to click on cash out. PayPal real quick, and you see here, congratulations on your cash out. Please allow it to 72 hours for your funds arrive in your PayPal account. Very simple. My balance goes back down to zero because you cash out all of it. You can't leave anything in your account. So just whenever you get it enough to cash out, like I said, the minimum is $15. You can go ahead and cash out then, or you can let it pile up to however much you want. But it's completely up to you. But just give them, 2 to 3 days. I usually rise before 72 hours in most cases. Sometimes I get it like within a day or two. So just give them time to do that. Very easy site to use. Like I said, the link to this site will be in the description. Sign up so you get a bonus. My trade score stays at 10,000. So the thing is, they're still going to give me a whole bunch of surveys. I'm still going to be able to make a lot of money with this site. You see the year just started. I've already made $30.76, because when I first found out about this site, I signed up for it, but I didn't really use it. But then my trade score kept going up, and I started getting so many different surveys. Like here it is, it's the beginning of January, and I'm already at $30.76 for the year. What I'm saying? It's the first month. So just imagine how much money I'm going to make, throughout this year and the years to come with this site. So that's why I definitely recommend that you guys sign up with this site, start making money with it. Easy site to use. Like I said, you'll never get disqualified for surveys. The minimum you'll get for every survey is 10 cents. So, they're going to send you at least one every day, at least one. The higher your trade score gets, they'll send you 4, 5, 6 surveys. You got to, keep checking on it. They'll send you notification when you got a new survey available for you. So definitely sign up for this site. Click on the link in the description, get your bonus, get your surveys going, get your trade score up, and start cashing out on a regular. All right. So, if you're new to my channel, I want you to subscribe, because I'm always showing you guys new ways to make money completely free. Just putting new sites in your routine, cash out videos, tutorials, all that good stuff. Every Monday I drop a video showing you guys a new way to make money, all that good stuff. All right. So Get involved with it. Like I said, the link is in the description. Sign up today, and remember, every penny counts.